Hey, what's up? Jigxor here. In most cases, you can simply use your registered phone number to reset your Google account password if you have forgotten it. But what if you no longer have access to it? In this video, I'll walk you through a step-by-step process to reset your Gmail password using other options to recover your account. Let's go. Another alternative is to use a separate recovery email that is also linked to your primary account, especially if you've lost access to your phone number or haven't registered one. In your browser, go to the Gmail sign-in window and enter your email address. Select Forgot Password and click Try Another Way until you see the option to use your recovery email. Google will then ask you to confirm by providing the exact recovery email in order to match it with their records. Next, enter the code that was sent to your address and confirm your entry. Once verified, a sign-in link will be sent to your recovery email address to restore your account at a time determined by Google. Please note that you won't be able to reset your password immediately using your recovery email address because Google needs to verify that you're the one who submitted the request in order to prevent unauthorized changes to your account. If you don't see an email after the specified time, you can check your spam or junk folder. Once you receive the login link, follow the recovery instructions to reset your password. In cases where you can't access both your phone number and email address, you can use Google Prompt instead. When you sign into your account on your phone and use it on Google applications like Gmail, YouTube, and more, your mobile is automatically identified as a trusted device that you can use to verify your access. To get started, go to the Gmail sign-in page and enter your email address. Click Try Another Way until you see the Google Prompt window with random numbers that will be used for verification later and instructions to open a specific app on your phone. In my case, I will use the Gmail app for verification. In the prompt that appears, confirm that you are accessing the account, and then select the numbers that match those currently displayed in your browser. After successful verification, click Update Password and enter your new password to reset. In addition to Google Prompt, you can also use passkeys, backup codes, or the Authenticator app to reset your password if you have them set up in your account. However, if you are unable to use all of the verification methods associated with your account, Google will not allow you to reset your password because they are unable to verify your identity. On their support page, Google says that for security reasons, you can't call them for help signing into your account. Eventually, you will be locked out of your email, and Google suggests that you simply create a new one as a replacement. That's it. If I could help you, feel free to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Leave a comment down below if you have any questions. See you next time. Bye.